What's going on? It is Kieran from the Tech Bush, and today we will be unboxing and reviewing the Pride braided solo loop for the Apple Watch Series 6. Now I am extremely excited to unbox this, so let's get to it and see how it goes. So welcome to the unboxing, where now I shall be unboxing the watch strap. It was a bit difficult to open at first, however I did get there in the end. And if you pull it out, you will see the folded bit of paper that it comes in. Nice graphics at the top to show you how to attach it to your watch, and the bit explaining about the included watch face that it comes with. If you pull the tab, the bands come straight out, has a nice amount of stretch to it, and has a great feel. Putting that to the side, I will now try and attach it to my watch. But the stretch really was amazing of how much it will fit your wrist. After taking my watch off, I will now take the bands off by pressing the buttons on the back and just sliding them out. The buttons are quite hard to push, so if you've got nails, that would be great. After one slid out, I now get to do the other side. Now I will attach the band. The bands only go in one way, which I found out the hard way, but as you do, they have a nice tight fit in there and don't want to move. So once you've attached both sides, you can see that it has a massive amount of stretch and can just slide onto your wrist with no problem, but it will stay there and will stay in place all day. So I'm now showing you the included watch face that comes with it. I absolutely love this watch face, as I feel that it was developed so well that as you spin the wheel, the colours will move, and I think it just looks so sleek. So this is an amazing product, I absolutely love it. The only problem is that the dirt does get attracted to it very easily, but that it can be washed. It does take quite a while to dry though. I absolutely love the unboxing, it felt so premium, and the price you're paying for it really should do. I would recommend getting it. However, go to a store and check the size, because if you get the wrong size, that could cause so many problems. Anyway, if you like the video, like and subscribe, bell for notifications, and let me know what kind of content you want.